Hi, sixth grade. I wanted to take a few minutes and just talk to you today about your astronomy projects because now we're getting into the actual paragraph writing. And I know you have some questions, so I want to try and clarify some things before you get too deep into this. Although I know some of you have already. Thank you last week. A number of you, in fact, all of you, submitted your title pages and pictures. They all look great. And I know that's the way you planned it. Get it? Plan it? No, I told you it was going to be bad. Anyway, couldn't help that. Your assignment today, I want you to begin the body part of your paper, and you're going to write 2 to 3 paragraphs. And I'm hoping that you'll write a minimum of 5 to 6 sentences in each of your paragraphs. It would be nice if they were longer. But today's topic is the what portion of your paper. And remember, the topic you have, you want to give us some interesting facts and information about your topic. Things like perhaps maybe if you have a planet, the atmosphere that it has, what kinds of rocks you might find on it if there are rocks. The outer planets, you know, are all gases, so you'll want to talk about those. Tell us some interesting things that you found or discovered about your planet. I'm going to give you a hint. NASA has probes out there that are visiting all of these planets. You may want to report on that, report on what it's found when it visited the planet that you have. In case of the asteroid belt, you want to talk about perhaps maybe those dwarf planets and some of the newer dwarf planets that they found. And of course, the sun, that's always the hottest topic, right? The sun, there's always things that you can talk about with regards to interesting facts about what's going on the sun, what it's doing right now, and the fact that they just launched or will be launching a probe to the sun very soon to take some more pictures to see what's going on there. So that's what you need to put in the what paragraph. And be careful because you don't want to duplicate the where, the when, and the who or how part. All right. This is just other interesting things that we might want to know about your planet. You're going to do that in two to 3 paragraphs. And again, it is graded. It's going to be worth 10 points. And that's going to satisfy, again, the first portion actually the second portion now of this assignment. The first one was the title page. One more thing I want to add to all of this. At the end of each of your paragraphs, make sure you put the website where you obtained the information. Just like you did with your title page, remember I made you put the website underneath your picture. You need to do the same with this, okay? And again, stay safe and well. Know that we all miss you, and we'll be back in touch again probably next week for the next part of this project. Take care.